Top 5 AI-powered photo editing apps you should try.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we edit photos, making it easier than ever to enhance and retouch images. In this video, we'll explore 5 standout mobile apps that harness AI to help you create stunning photos with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, these apps offer smart features that can elevate your pictures in seconds.
Adobe Photoshop Express.
Adobe Photoshop Express brings the power of Photoshop to your mobile device with AI-driven features that make photo editing simple and intuitive. The app's auto-fix tool analyzes your image and instantly adjusts exposure, contrast, and color balance. Other AI features like background removal and one-tap filters allow you to transform your photos with just a few taps.
Remini.
Remini uses advanced artificial intelligence to restore and enhance old or low-quality photos. Simply upload your picture and the app sharpens faces, removes blur, and improves detail automatically. It's especially popular for reviving vintage photos, making it a favorite among users who want to preserve and improve treasured memories.
Lensa.
Lensa is known for its powerful AI portrait enhancement tools. The app automatically detects faces, applies skin smoothing, adjusts lighting, and even removes blemishes. Its magic correction feature instantly brightens, sharpens, and crops your shots for the best composition, making it perfect for selfies and portrait photography.
Picsart.
Picsart combines creativity with AI technology, offering features like AI Replace, which can swap backgrounds or objects in your photos with a single tap. The app also provides smart filters, automatic retouching, and AI-generated artifacts. With millions of users, Picsart makes advanced editing accessible and fun for everyone.
Fotor.
Fotor's AI photo enhancer automatically improves exposure, color, and clarity to deliver polished images within seconds. The app also offers an AI-powered one-tap retouch tool and a suite of creative filters. Fotor is designed for users who want quick, impressive edits without getting bogged down by complicated settings.
Discover your ideal AI photo editing app.
From automatic retouching to creative effects, these 5 AI-powered photo editing apps make enhancing your photos quick and easy. Try them out to see which one best matches your style and needs. Whether you want to restore old pictures or create eye-catching edits, today's AI technology can help you edit like a pro.